viewers, good morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my student Shutao. Assalamu alaikum. Sabal khair, marhaba. Dajahao, Privet. Jayanu. Viewers, my students, today we are going to view the negative phrases, negative sentences, future continuous tense, negative sentences in future continuous tense. We will see these phrases and will make a practice with these phrases, and we will also discuss the rules that apply to construct, to compose these sentences in a negative sense. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard. Here you are, my students. The first statement in future continuous tense is, you see here, he will not be lying. He will not be lying. He will not be lying. वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा होगा. He will not be lying. He will not be lying. वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा होगा. You see that in this construction, he is a pronoun and a subject, and will is a helping verb. Not is for negation, negative sense. Be lying is a principal verb, and to make a continuity in future, it reflects, it shows that the verb will start in a coming time, in a next time. वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा होगा. He will not be lying. He will not be lying. वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा होगा. He will not be lying. He will not be lying. वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा होगा. This sentence reflects, denotes, ये जुमला जाहिर करता है that the work will start in a coming time, in a future time, and the work continuity of work is shown in this phrase, but it's in a future time. Let's see the next sentence, next phrase. You see, my students, the next one is, they will not be hunting. They will not be hunting. वो शिकार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. They will not be hunting. They will not be hunting. वो शिकार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. You see once again, there is a subject and a pronoun. Will is a helping verb. Not is for negative sense, and be hunting is a principal verb to show the continuity in coming times. So वो शिकार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. They will not be hunting. They will not be hunting. वो शिकार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. They will not be hunting. वो शिकार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. Here's a beautiful phrase, a sentence in future continuous tense. फेल मुस्तक़बिल जारी से कहा जाता है. आने वाले वक्त में काम का होने का इंडिया मिल रहा है. ये जुमला जो है, ये सेंटेंस, it shows, it denotes that the work's continuity will be in coming time, will be in future. Let's see the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is, she will not be suing. She will not be suing. She will not be suing. वो सिलाई नहीं कर रही होगी. She will not be suing. वो सिलाई नहीं कर रही होगी. She will not be suing. वो सिलाई नहीं कर रही होगी. You see once again, my students, she is a pronoun and a subject, and will is a helping verb. Not is for negative sense, and be suing is a principal verb. Be suing is a principal verb to show the continuity of verb. So वो सिलाई नहीं कर रही होगी. She will not be suing. She will not be suing. वो सिलाई नहीं कर रही होगी. She will not be suing. She will not be suing. वो सिलाई नहीं कर रही होगी. Here see, my students, another beautiful phrase. She will not be suing. She will not be suing. वो सिलाई नहीं कर रही होगी. Let's move to the next sentence. Next sentence you see here. We shall not be rowing. We shall not be rowing. We shall not be rowing. हम कश्ती रानी नहीं कर रहे होंगे. We shall not be rowing. हम कश्ती रानी नहीं कर रहे होंगे. We shall not be rowing. हम कश्ती रानी नहीं कर रहे होंगे. Here see, my students, we is a subject and a pronoun here, and shall is a helping verb, not is a for negation, negative sense. Be rowing is a principal verb and it shows the continuity again. वो हम कश्तीरानी नहीं कर रहे होंगे. We shall not be rowing. We shall not be rowing. We shall not be rowing. हम कश्तीरानी नहीं कर रहे होंगे. Okay, my students, another phrase you see here. We shall not be rowing. We shall not be rowing. We shall not be rowing. हम कश्तीरानी नहीं कर रहे होंगे. Let's see the next phrase. Next you see here. You will not be waiting. You will not be waiting. तुम इंतजार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. You will not be waiting. You will not be waiting. तुम इंतजार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. You will not be waiting. तुम इंतजार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. You see again. You is a subject and a pronoun and a second person pronoun. Will is a helping verb. Not is for negative sense. Be waiting is the principal verb to show the continuity in passive. So आप इंतजार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. You will not be waiting. You will not be waiting. आप इंतजार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. And the last phrase is I shall not be playing. I shall not be playing. मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा. I shall not be playing. मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा. You see my students, I is a subject and a pronoun. Shall is a helping verb. Not is for negative sense, for negation. Be playing is a principal verb. It shows the continuity of the verb. मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा. I shall not be playing. I shall not be playing. मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा. Here you are my students. You see these last two statements, two sentences. You will not be waiting. You will not be waiting. In this statement, it indicates that the continuity of verb is shown being done in a future time. It indicates that the verb will continue in a future time, in coming time. You will not be waiting. You will not be waiting. You is a subject and is a pronoun. Will is a helping verb here, and not is for negative sense, for negation, and be waiting is a principal verb to show the continuity of verb in a coming time. So you will not be waiting. You will not be waiting. आप इंतजार नहीं कर रहे होंगे. And the last one is I shall not be playing. I shall not be playing. I shall not be playing. मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा. You see that I is a first person pronoun and is a subject in this phrase, and shall is a helping verb, and not is for negative sense, and be playing a principal verb to show the continuity of verb in coming time. I shall not be playing. I shall not be playing. मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँगा. Hey my students, these are very important phrases. In future continuous tense, these phrases are the part and parcel of English speaking. These phrases also are taught in academic studies in schools and colleges. Memorize these phrases and the rules that apply. I will see you again. Goodbye.